Decimals. They sound complicated, but they're really not. They're just a cool way to write parts of numbers, smaller than 1. Imagine cutting a pie into 10 slices. You could write one slice as a fraction, 1/10, or as a decimal, 0.1. Decimals help us be precise with numbers. They're like secret agents of the math world, sneaking in between whole numbers. We use a dot called a decimal point to separate the whole number from its tiny partners. These decimal numbers are super important because they help us measure things accurately. Whether it's the length of a ladybug's wing or the weight of a giant pumpkin, decimals got us covered. Ever wondered how much that yummy donut costs? That's where decimals come in handy. You see prices like $1.99 every day. That means one whole $1.99, almost another whole dollar. And hey, remember when you measure things in centimeters and millimeters? That's decimals at work again. See, 10 millimeters make up 1 centimeter. So, if something is 2.5 centimeters long, it means it's 2 centimeters and 5 millimeters long. Pretty neat, right? Even when you bake a cake and the recipe calls for 2.5 cups of flour, that's decimals making sure your cake is perfectly fluffy. Decimals are everywhere, making our lives easier and more precise. Fractions and decimals might seem different, but they're actually buddies. They're just two different ways of showing the same part of something. Imagine a pizza cut into 4 equal slices. If you eat one slice, you've eaten 1/4 of the pizza. That's a fraction. Now if you wanted to write that same amount as a decimal, it would be 0.25, see? Same amount, different outfit. Fractions use a top number, the numerator, and a bottom number, the denominator, to show parts of a whole. Decimals use place value and the decimal point to do the same thing. They're like secret code words for each other. And once you learn the secret handshake, you can switch between them easily. Decimals are your secret weapon in the world of numbers. They help you understand measurements, money, and even baking recipes with amazing accuracy. By understanding how decimals work and how they relate to fractions, you can unlock a whole new level of math skills. So, next time you encounter a decimal, don't be scared. Remember, they're just friendly little numbers here to make your life easier and more precise. Embrace the magic of decimals and soon you'll be a decimal-wielding math wizard.